Yo, what is up mga katropa? Panibagong araw, panibagong katarantaduhan na naman. Kung bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, welcome sa tropa mo, tropa ko, tropa tayong lahat. Enjoy watching!
For as long as I live and as long as I love, I will never not think about you. I will never not think about you.
Yan. So, for today's vlog mga katropa, mag-English muna tayo. So, para So, for today's vlog, I'll do my Englishing words. So, I will speak to you in English so you can use these words because I'm gonna teach you how to Bisaya. Maybe this word I will say in English also, so my viewers who are not Tagalog, who are foreigners, if there are some, can understand me, so I can teach you how to doggy. So I will teach you how to say words in Bisaya that can be used if you are going to visit in the Visayan places in the Philippines. So Bisaya is a word which is native to the Visayan people. So guys, give you a background. Visayan words is very important if you are visiting nice places in here in Visayas. So it's very useful. So let us begin in our tutorial in Visayan language. So first word na dapat, or first word that you must learn in the Visayan language or the Bisaya is the Maayong Adlaw. Yes, that's true. Maayong Adlaw is a greetings in the Cebuano where you are saying good day, or just a sign of respect in the Cebuano. As a foreigner, you must say, or everyone in the Cebu are always saying Mayong Adlaw, which is good morning or good day. When you say me or I am, you must also say ako di ay. So I am also in English translated to ako di ay, or that's from in English I am. So ako di ay. So if you continue it, Mayong Adlaw, ako di ay. So Mayong Adlaw, ako di ay. I am. So good day, I am. So state your name. The next word is state your name. So Mayong Adlaw, ako di ay si Aldrin. So you're Cebuano vlogger. So Mayong Adlaw, ako di ay Cebuano vlogger. So if you say good day, I am Aldrin from Cebu. So in Bisaya, Mayong Adlaw, ako di ay si Aldrin, taga Cebu. So taga means, or also you can say from. So if you can remember good day, so it in Cebu, Mayong Adlaw. I am, so in Cebu, ako di ay si. So ako di ay si. Ako di ay si. So that's it. That's from Cebu. I am, so in Cebu, ako di ay si. So next, from. So from, in that, so in Cebu, you can translate it as taga. So taga. Taga. So if you state it in a sentence, in English sentence, good day, I am Aldrin from Cebu. So in Bisaya, if you want to use it, if you happen to visit in Visayan places, so you can say good. So you can say Mayong Adlaw, ako di ay si Aldrin, taga Cebu. So you can say that. Or if you happen from US, so Mayong Adlaw, ako di ay si Aldrin from or taga US. So you can easily communicate to the people in the Cebu or in the Visayan places, because you can understand or you can easily understand their languages, or there's no more communication barrier between you foreigners or from fellow Filipinos who gonna speak in Visayas. There's no language barrier now. So tune in for my next language session for you. If you happen to love this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell for updates in my YouTube. So see you guys next time.